Everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where you'll learn how to add a yes/no question to your Titan survey. So navigate to the slide that you want, click Add Question, Yes, No, and insert the yes/no question type. Ask any question you want, such as, did you enjoy this event? And label your yes/no answers by hovering over it with the tooltips, and you can label it. For instance, yes can be 1, no can be 2, click Save, and then you see those values assigned over here, 1, 2. Also, this can be customized. It doesn't just need to look like, dislike. It can look like yes, no. It can also look like smiley face, sad face. The best part, all of this is fully integrated and mapped to Salesforce in lifetime. So you don't have to do any of that yourself. So how do I show you this? Well, open up your Salesforce and you can see that the survey taker is recorded here. In this case, me, because I took the survey. Click on Related, and you can check out the answer to this question. So I answered, did you enjoy this event? I answered true. And it's all here, recorded in Salesforce, ready for you when you want it, the information that you need at your fingertips.